crunchy, spicy fried chicken back. Yes, chicken back. This is so delicious. Listen to the crunch. So welcome back to the channel, guys. So to my returning supporters, welcome. And to those of you coming for the first time, also welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to become an official member of the family. And in that way, you won't miss another upload. So as you see from the title, guys, we're making some crispy, spicy, fried chicken back. Yes, this one reminds me of school days. So let's make this, guys. So here I have some chicken back. I already cleaned and trimmed. Now I'm going to wash with vinegar and we're going to season this well. And the season I'll be using are complete season, all-purpose season, garlic powder, cayenne pepper for the spice, onion powder, and salt and black pepper. And I'll link those on the screen and I'll put them in the description box as well. We're going to season this well and put to marinate. So catch you further on in the video, guys. Now we're preparing our coating for our chicken back. And here we have some all-purpose flour and we're going to use the same season we used to season our chicken back. And mix this well. And in the meanwhile, we're going to add a pot and add oil to heat up so we can start the frying process. Optional, I had some garlic clove to my eye and a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. And now we're going to coat our chicken in our flour, seasoned flour. We're also going to shake off the excess flour, put aside for a couple of minutes until our oil is fully heated. Then we can start to fry it. And we're going to fry these until they are golden brown and crispy and cooked. Then we can just sit and enjoy. But continue with the link above. So here I'm putting my chicken in my well heated oil, and we're just going to fry these, remove from oil when finished, and repeat the step. So catch you at the end of the video. Do continue watching and enjoy the music. But first of all, guys, look at my texture of my chicken. Tell me in the comment section, what does KFC have and my French fried spicy fried chicken back? Fun fact, guys, I start eating the moment I remove the first batch. Tell me who can relate? So here is our crispy spicy fried chicken back. This tastes so good, guys, and as you see, I definitely start eating from the first batch. They were so delicious, and this put me to remember my school days. We will go to the gate and buy our fried chicken back. The only thing missing was my brown paper bag. So if you enjoyed this one, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.